Why being strong man is necessary. Being strong can bring several benefits to a person's physical and mental health, such as improved physical fitness. Strength training can help improve overall fitness, increase muscle mass, and reduce the risk of injury. Better health. Regular strength training can help lower blood pressure, improve bone density, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. Increase confidence. Having a strong, healthy body can boost self-esteem and confidence, which can have a positive impact on other areas of life. Improved functionality. Having a strong body can improve one's ability to perform everyday tasks with greater ease and reduce the risk of injury while performing these tasks. In summary, being strong can bring physical and mental health benefits, improved functionality, and increased confidence, which can all lead to a higher quality of life.